Penguins, those charismatic flightless birds inhabiting the southern hemisphere, symbolize adaptability and unity in adversity. With distinctive black and white coats, they navigate harsh, icy terrains deftly. Agile swimmers, their wings have evolved into flippers, aiding underwater exploration for fish and squid. Penguins form tightly, knit colonies, fostering warmth and shared protection against extreme cold. Their exceptional parenting roles, with both genders nurturing eggs and chicks, highlight cooperation. However, these endearing creatures face threats due to climate change and human activity. Penguin's story underscores nature's splendor and the pressing need to conserve diverse ecosystems for current and future generations.